Good morning. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. I hope everybody's doing okay. I hope you had a safe 4th of July. First of all, I want to, apologize because today is going to be a real short video. I have been sick. I was diagnosed with mild depression. Gave me a pill that I've been having reactions over the weekend. So, it's not going to be really a long video, maybe 15-20 minutes. Okay, so thank you for your understanding and your prayers. Without further ado, here it is. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. There's more videos coming in, and hit the notification bell so you get notified of all the videos. But I wanted to show you the status of panel 5. Look at this. Almost the whole body of the swan is in there. I was doing it coming up and down. I was supposed to start doing blue because since it's too much, and for the sake of the timing of the video that I just told you, I wanna start with I started with number 13. Okay, but we're not gonna do that much. Like I said, I'm kind of under the weather and with a lot of situation regarding my health issue, and I wanted to don't leave you without the update on Sunday. So, but this will probably be done by next week, and then we start with panel 6. Okay, basically I'm on time of what I was expecting to finish, so that's no problem. So let's get started. Okay, everybody can comment on how they're doing. I know that somebody finished it. Lisa Uncles. I'm sorry, Lisa, if I pronounce your last name incorrectly. I apologize for that. And this one who finished, he did it in 11 count. I have a Facebook page, Beaded, and Stamp Cross Stitch, where you can request to it, but I suggest that you participate. Okay, it's good to participate. It's a private one. The link is down below, okay, in the description box. So you can belong to the group and post your beaded or stamp cross stitch. It has to be beaded or it has to be stamped. I did it private because of the trolls and everything. So we're going to do a little bit of this today. Okay. But this panel definitely is gonna be done by next week, and we're going to start panel 6 next week. I'm sorry, guys. I changed it and I start cross stitching, and I forgot to turn the camera on. And we're about to, I'm gonna do up to here, and then we finish it up, because you know I'm not been feeling too good, and I wanted you guys to give you an update on how things are going. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave it there, okay, so I don't take much of your time, okay. I'm gonna finish on 13, then do number 4, and then do all these little colors over here, okay. So, and then we are done with panel 5. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful week. Please hit the thumbs up, okay, and comment below. Comment helps, and the thumbs up help with the YouTube algorithm. So thank you. Until the next time, don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Much love and peace to all of you.